The secret of the glass of olive oil under the bed. Okay, you may not believe in the energies and you are not superstitious, but it does not matter. You have to see this video and then you draw your conclusions. The symptoms of our poor mental health in most cases are due to spiritual factors. Spiritual factors are responsible for the patient not responding to the appropriate treatment in most cases. This spiritual ritual will give you peace of mind and remove the negativity that surrounds you. For that to happen, you must have faith. That is based most home remedies and placebo effect. Here we try to give a technique to be able to remove the bad energies that surround us using the data that have been discovered through the spiritual investigation. One of the best known techniques to release negative energy is to fill the glass with olive oil. Olive oil is an element that attracts the negativity of people and environments, and by placing a container with olive oil is achieved that the bad energies pass to the olive oil and remain concentrated in it. It is for this reason that olive oil should be discarded every morning and put fresh olive oil back into the container. This ritual of olive oil is done simply. How do you do the olive oil ritual to take away the negative energies? Before going to sleep, place a glass of clean olive oil under the bed or on a light table next to our bed, extra virgin olive oil. The next morning we will observe the olive oil. If the olive oil is found with bubbles or appears turbid, it means that during that time the olive oil absorbed bad energies that are manifested in the bubbles of the olive oil. After checking the state of the olive oil, we throw the olive oil from the glass outside the house or the toilet. Each night this ritual must be repeated to remove negativity and bad waves by placing a glass with fresh olive oil. The olive oil from the previous night can never be used again. This same ritual is well known because it is also made with water and with many other liquids.